Hi guys. So I recently worked with a client who was a very busy person and wore lots of different hats in her job and was always traveling to meetings and taking notes on various things. And one tool she used to kind of stay on top of everything was this reusable notebook called a Rocket Book. And basically you write in the notebook with erasable pens, and then there's an app on your phone that you can use to take a picture of each page, and then it turns it into a PDF, and you can save it in any cloud-based service that you use, like Google Drive or OneNote or anything like that. And so my boss decided to get me one so I could try it out and see how awesome of a tool it is. So I'm here to unveil my new Rocket Book notebook. All right, so it says Rocketbook Everlast, the endlessly reusable intelligent notebook. Send handwritten notes to your favorite cloud services. Wipe pages with water to erase and reuse. So let's see here. Erase with moisture, cloud connected, instantly organized. And there's symbols for you to mark in the back here. On each page there's a symbol, and then you can decide what symbol refers to which category and where you like to save things. It's so cute. It matches my shirt kinda. So we got the Rocket Book here. Some instructions. This front page is where I set all of the categories for where I want to save things. And then each page kind of looks like this. It had, I don't know if you can tell, but there's like dotted grid all over the page, and then at the very bottom there's the different symbols that you see on this list. And then there's the little scanny doodad. And yeah, there's just a bunch of empty pages, but it's not that big, not that bulky. Definitely like easy to carry around in a purse or book bag or something. So this is gonna be awesome. I'm super excited to try it out and let you guys know how it works and what I think about it and how helpful it can be, especially when you deal with a lot of digital files and handwritten files. It can be kind of confusing to keep track of everything. So this is gonna be an awesome tool, and I'm really excited to try it out. So I got my Rocket Book all open, but now I want to show you guys the pen that you use with it. It's a certain type of erasable pen that can, it's called Pilot Frixion Pen. So you write with this end, erase with this end, but it looks like you can also just erase entire pages with water too. So, but let me just show you how it works. So I wrote you guys a little note, and then now I'll erase it. All gone. So easy. And apparently these kinds of pens also come in like other colors, and they come in highlighter versions too. So you can really get all sorts of creative with the type of notes you like to take, and like color code things even. And yeah, that's really cool. I'm super excited to try it out. I'll let you guys know how it goes and how helpful of a tool this can be. Thank you, Debbie, for my new Rocket Book.